the previous post, we talked about what all the PredaTOBR comes with. We're going to show you now how to put it together. And then we're going to take some shots at approximately 100 meters. That's some steel we have downrange. Getting to sight this thing in, that black jewel or black gold trigger is a phenomenal trigger. Very crisp, very clean. Very precise, tight machining. Still can't get over how light this rail is. Provides a very solid platform. And I wasn't sure how I was going to like these little plastic grips that come out here on the end. They have like a factory stipple to them almost. They're actually very comfortable and provide a decent amount of grip, nothing too aggressive. So we're going to put some shots downrange here on some steel, some Federal 168 grain gold match. We have our port selector here to the right side to make sure it's on the suppressed setting. That way the gun is not over gas.